when they see their friends, family, and coworkers having great vacations and successes in their lives, they feel it's a personal reflection on them. How do you feel about that, babe?
I can't say that I've experienced personally when I look at other people's posts feeling like it's a personal reflection on me. But I will say that I've seen posts where like I might see a classmate that looks the exact same from like in high school as they do now, and I'm saying, hey, 2 kids later, I'm not looking the same, but then I'm encouraged by it, and then it motivates me to be a better me.